At this time, please welcome your Virginia FBLA Collegiate President, Rachel Kalin.
Members, advisors, alumni, and guests, we are about to begin. Good afternoon, Virginia Future Business Leaders of America Collegiate, and welcome to the opening session of the 2024 Virginia FBLA Collegiate State Leadership Conference webinar. Although this isn't exactly what we had planned for this conference, we appreciate your continued support of the state chapter. Your hard work and dedication within your local chapters is why truly, together we achieve in Virginia FBLA Collegiate. So let's get this webinar started. Leading the way in making this webinar possible are the members of the 2023-2024 Virginia FBLA Collegiate State Officer Team. We begin with your high school liaison from Virginia Tech, Imran Hussein. Now, your directors of chapter development from Virginia State University, Nylan Taylor. And from the University of Virginia, Tanya Raja. Now, please welcome your Director of Communications from the University of Virginia, Catherine Chang. Now, your Director of Programs from the University of Virginia, Forrest Sun. Now please welcome your Director of Fundraising from the University of Virginia, Brandon Nesbitt. Next, I would like to introduce your State Secretary Treasurer from the University of Virginia, Shrija Tangatur. And I am Rachel Kalin, your Virginia FBLA Collegiate State President. The General Session is now in order.
At this time, please join me in recognizing the local chapter presidents. From the University of Virginia, Haripriya Prabhuswamy. From the Virginia State University, Monet Croquet. Thank you for your dedication to both your local chapters and to the FBLA organization.
We would like to acknowledge our seniors who will be graduating this year. Best of luck in your future career pursuits.
Today, we have the pleasure to hear from some special guests to bring greetings from the national chapter of FBLA. I'd like to bring your attention to this video for a special greeting from your FBLA Collegiate National Officer Team.
Hello, I'm Toby Neal, your FBLA Collegiate National President. On behalf of the entire Collegiate National Officer Team, I am so happy to join you for your state conference.
While you're here, we urge you to build your personal network with other FBLA members, advisors, speakers, and exhibitors.
This is the moment where you put the skills you've learned this year, like leadership and problem solving, into action and wow the judges in competitive events, or show your knowledge in objective tests.
We wish you the best of luck in your competitions, and we hope your success takes you all the way to the National Leadership Conference in Orlando, starting on June 24th.
We still have big plans for the rest of this program here, so be sure to follow us on social media to find all you need to know about making the most out of your FBLA experience.
From this year's National Officer Team, have a wonderful state conference, and we'll see you in Orlando, June 24th through 27th.
We are absolutely thrilled to hold this webinar, and we would love everyone to remain connected with us. And that's why we please follow us on our Instagram at VA-FBLA Collegiate to stay connected to learn more about future programs and events.
We have so many informative and fun guest speakers today. We encourage you to check out all of the fantastic programming included in the State Conference Leadership webinar.
We hope you enjoyed the rest of the webinar and our tremendous lineup of workshops. We are in recess until the closing session. The opening session of the 2024 Virginia FBLA State Leadership Conference webinar is now recessed.